Hey guys, I hope you're having a great, wonderful, flying National Ceiling Fan Day. It is September 18th, 2022. So for National Ceiling Fan Day 2022, I'll be showing the spin down of all of the fans, starting with this Ashby Park in my little brother's room. We just installed it yesterday, and it does a great job. And the remote says don't we installed that holds up the remote. Just to let you know, it's gonna be a little while. I just love this fan. It does a great job. I ran it overnight just to make sure the remote works better, because the remote doesn't really work that much. And the top of the blades are black, but we wanted this side, we wanted the black side facing up. And my auntie has the same fan, but just black. And that black thing right there is the reverse switch. See, it's the reverse switch. And those do a really good job. And the blades are stenciled, it's just spinning, so I can't do a little intro of it. This fan does have like a 2-minute, 3-minute spin down. He's doing an excellent job. This fan also barely even has a downward. And also, if you have this fan, make sure to like and subscribe, or else I won't be, or else I'll probably never ever make a video ever again. So make sure to like and subscribe. And I also sound a little different because I'm 7.5, and last year I was 6.5. Okay, this is stopping. Alright, next fan that I'm gonna do is in the dining room. I'm gonna go for my most favorite to least favorite, my little hamburger. So spin down in 3, 2, 1.
Yeah? We're taking the lights off because we didn't take the
That
tree
is
down.
pretty fast. So now we're gonna be in the fan upstairs. Just wanted to show you a little thing of that fan. This is my third favorite. So let's turn this thing off. That noise was just my little brother doing something. So here's spin down. The switch sounds similar to that. And this fan does have a pretty quick spin down. This fan looks like a 60-inch fan from here, even though it's probably a 52-inch or 54-inch fan. This is the second to newest fan. That's the third to newest fan. this has been here since we moved in. And the rest of the fans that we have left is Casablanca's. I don't know if that's a Casablanca or not though. But this is a Casablanca, as you can see. Casablanca. And the old fan in here was a Casablanca too. But just the pull chain was a little bit yanky. Because when you pulled it, nothing would happen. The light pull chain, nothing would happen with the light pull chain. We're probably gonna fix that soon because of the fan pull chain that goes to the fan. It's just broken. Alright. We're gonna be doing
But do not.
I don't really like the pastel. This is the old fan in my little brother's room. It's a Silent Breeze it's a Silent Breeze Hampton Bay. Sorry, this camera does not want to focus. I'm trying to make it less blurry, but nothing happens. And this is its reverse switch. This is its light pull chain. And this is the fan pull chain. Alright, let's do a spin down of this. It does go way slower now because there's something stuck in it. Alright. This fan is one of the quickest spin downs in my whole entire house. And also, I want to show you something with this. That switch goes to both of these, while this turns it off and on, and I don't know what this is for. And also, if you're wondering, this is for different light settings. You have to be on the camera in order to do that. I'll change it when I'm done with this video.
No.
Alright, next we're going to be doing this. When the light goes off, the fan will go off. We also forgot to take away our Christmas tree from last year because we were just so busy. We forgot to take down our Christmas tree just to let you know again because we were just so busy with stuff. Taking down this, installing the Ashby Park, and also that's the same tree. Yes, that tree has just been hanging around for a while, so we're putting it away now.
Daddy! Daddy! Daddy!
This is also one of the quickest spin downs in the house. This fan also uses two switches from last year. This one, which is on the stairs, and this one, which is right outside the bathroom, and this room, and this room. The Ashby Park is just a very cool fan. First thing I saw it's been my dream fan. Now be prepared for the longest spin down and the fan that I love the least because of how long it takes. There is something stuck in it too. So I won't be able to do a 0 to high for all of them because I'm kind of running out of space. So I'm just gonna have to end it right when this stops. If you have any of these fans in your house, if you have any of these fans that I have in your house, make sure to like and subscribe, or else just remember, I won't make videos ever again. So like and subscribe. Because I forgot to say that last year. I was like, stay tuned for more last year. This fan does slow down quick too. And it's also pretty similar to the Ashby Park. It's just that I don't like it because it takes a very long time. I do like the Ashby Park, and because the Ashby Park also has a really fast slow. And also, Halloween is coming up, and who wants a Christmas tree hanging in Halloween? Let me shut the door for the vacuum. And also, there's me. My iPad has some of the hands. There's my real face. Yes, I am a 7-year-old boy. And I'll be turning 8 on May 16th. You can kind of see the fan through the mirror. You can see the blades. Okay, this is stopping, and then we're gonna wrap this up. Okay, it's coming for a stop. Alright, so there you have it. My full 2022 ceiling fan house. All of the fans and September 18th, 2022. Now make sure to like and subscribe, or else I'll never make videos ever again. So I'm planning for another video real soon because the last video that I took was last National Ceiling Fan Day. But anyways, bye. I hope you have a great rest of your National Ceiling Fan Day.